Easter egg hunt. It is springtime. Peppa's going to do something very exciting today. Grandpa Pig made an Easter egg hunt for Peppa and her friends.
There are lots of chocolate eggs hidden in the garden,
says Grandpa Pig.
Are you ready to find them?
Yes, Grandpa Pig, everyone says.
Off you go then,
says Grandpa Pig.
But be careful not to step on my plants.
We promise to be really careful, Grandpa,
says Peppa. Peppa soon finds an egg hidden in a plant pot.
I found one,
shouts Peppa. Rebecca Rabbit finds an egg under a bush, and Freddie Fox finds another in a wheelbarrow. Everyone has a chocolate egg except for Richard.
I wonder where the other eggs are,
says Grandpa Pig. Grandpa Pig puts his hat on Richard's head. When he picks it up again, a chocolate egg appears underneath, like magic. Now Richard has an egg too. So what do we do now, Grandpa Pig? asks Rebecca Rabbit.
You eat your egg, of course,
laughs Grandpa Pig. Did you enjoy your Easter egg hunt, children? asks Granny Pig.
We found all the chocolate eggs,
says Peppa. They're in our tummies now, adds Freddie Fox. Good, says Granny Pig. Now let's go and see our chickens, Jemima, Sarah and Neville. They have a special surprise.
But they're just boring chickens, Granny,
says Peppa.
They're not special.
They have eggs too, Peppa, says Granny Pig. Can we eat them? asks Freddie Fox. No, Freddie, laughs Granny Pig. The eggs are about to hatch. The baby chicks are hatching. There are 3. Cheep, cheep. Now that the chicks have hatched, it really is Easter, says Granny Pig. Peppa and her friends pretend to be baby chicks. They all sing.
I'm a little chick singing, cheep, cheep, cheep. I like to pick up food with my beak, beak, beak. I've a fluffy yellow head and some straw for my bed, and I jump up and down singing, cheep, cheep, cheep.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support.